Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why I switched from QuickBooks to Gusto Payroll. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using QuickBooks and you're considering using Gusto. What's the main difference between the two? So first off, Gusto makes it very easy to run payroll, and especially as someone who's a solopreneur or solo business owner, or if you're only paying one person from one state, then Gusto Payroll is going to be a really good option for you. I'd say the only downside behind it is that over the years, they've actually increased their monthly price. So I think this year they increased their monthly price to about $6 per month. But even so, it's still worth it just because it saves you the headache and the complexities of having to run payroll yourself. So the plan that I'm on is on the simple plan, which is $49 a month. And so if you run payroll from just one state, or if you're a solo business owner, then $49 a month is well worth it to put yourself on payroll, okay? They have full service payroll, which means that you can access your own W-9s and your 1099s yourself. They also allow it so that you can actually go ahead and run payroll every month and not have to touch it again in the future. Now, if you do plan on running payroll for people from multiple states, then you can get the Plus plan, which is $80 a month and $12 a month per person. But even so, the good thing about Gusto is that they really don't do any gatekeeping. All their main features are included no matter which plan that you get. And for me, I just need the basic necessities of running payroll, calculating taxes, but you also get this other stuff, which I personally don't use for my business, but you can read all about it here. So if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get $100 sent to you as a gift card. So it's a free bonus incentive. And if you plan on running payroll yourself, why not try Gusto? So I've used QuickBooks before, but I prefer Gusto. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.